Good afternoon. This is Jack Karen with SkipperBud's, letting you guys see our new listing, a 2001 460 Sundancer. This particular boat is special. It's a freshwater boat. It came from Georgian Bay and then to Winthrop Harbor. In addition to that, it's got the hydraulic platform and the hardtop that everybody wishes to have. Come along aboard with me. Welcome aboard the cockpit of the 2001 460 Sundancer. This was a very popular model because the stern seat folds out, turns into a bed or a lounge. The table moves to wherever you wish. You've got an expansive area for your guest to seat facing aft. You've got the ship's bell that comes with it. Easy engine access. This particular one has a refrigerator option instead of an ice maker, which was more popular, and they put in a custom flat screen television. Working on your way to the helm, you'll see that you've got seating for 2 or 3 people here, and then a fantastic chair for the captain. Gives a lot of flexibility and motion. All the switches on the starboard side, and then again, this particular one has an upgraded Furuno system, a Garmin system, and then more importantly for all you captains out there, a bow and stern thruster. Welcome to the salon. Again, the 460 was a great layout. You had a reclining chair, faces a custom television. The television used to be over here. You've got a couch that pulls out and makes into a bed. This particular boat, the owner took the time and financial resources to put in a hardwood floor. As we move forward, you've got the head entrance here. It's got a head and shower. And we enter the master stateroom with a hard door. Again, a custom television, and then a nice sized bed. Everybody was complimented the size of the bed on this. The 460 also happens to have a little vanity area where this opens up. You've got a little chair, a mirror, someplace to put your family jewels. The galley is well set up. You've got a freezer, refrigerator. In this particular boat, this used to be the television, and now they've made a nice large storage area out of it. 3-burner stove, large sink, again, freezer and a refrigerator, and then all kinds of storage along below the cabins. And welcome to the mid cabin. A nice area, very visible into the salon, so it can be part of the conversation area. This folds out, makes into a bed. You've got a hanging locker. You've got storage over on this side. And this particular 460 also has a washer dryer combo. And then, like all 460s, it's got a half head here. I'd like to thank you guys for the tour of the 2001 460 Sundancer. It's sitting at our brokerage area in Winthrop Harbor and North Point Marina. Jack Karen bidding you well.